Welcome to the Delhi Gate. Compared to the narrow lanes of the other gates, this gate hosts the biggest entrance into the walled city of Lahore. The gate is an opening towards Delhi, which was the capital of the Mughal dynasty, and that's the reason why this gate is called the Delhi Gate. Enter and you are welcomed by a bustling market full of life and items of everyday use on sale. Just before entrance there is a horse market, which is here since the centuries, as horses were the common mean of transportation in old times. And if you get a chance to come to this gate, a visit to the Shahi Hammam is absolutely necessary. The single-story building stands out of its unique Mughal architecture, a bathhouse that has gone out of use but has not run out of charm for the tourists. Built by Hakim Ilmuddin Ansari, better known as Nawab Wazir Khan, this public bath served the royals of the Mughal rule.
मेरे मन मुर्शिद विच लाई
Today, however, it faces numerous difficulties.
इस बिल्डिंग को तीन तरफ से 42 दुकानों में घेरा हुआ है, जिसमें से 3/4 जो है हिस्सा हमारे पास है और 1/4 वो लोग जो है इस शाही महल के अंदर घुसे हुए हैं.
But the encroachers have their own side of the story.
यहाँ में इधर करीबन 100 साल से काबज़ है. हमारे बड़े जो थे पहले वो थे, पहले कारपोरेशन किराया लेती रही है, और जब औकाफ आ गया महकमा तो फिर महकमा औकाफ शुरू हो गया. ये हमें भी ये अजीज़ है, हम ये नहीं चाहते कि ये बर्बाद हो जाए, मगर हमें कम से कम उसका मुतबादल मिलना चाहिए.
Once inside Delhi Gate, you will see old Havelis on either side of the road, but in tatters. Among them is the Haveli of Muhammad Sultan, a contractor from the British era, who constructed the Delhi Gate entrance and later the Lahore railway station. Straight ahead is a famous Wazir Khan Mosque. This was built during the rule of Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan by the then governor of Lahore, Nawab Wazir Khan. It took 7 long years to complete this historical gem, but today its beautiful walls are slowly crumbling away into dust. It's a marvelous piece of architecture and a beautiful symbol of our glorious past. It gives us something to be proud of. We can enjoy this now, but what will be left for our children to take pride in? Most of the people living at Delhi Gate belong to the lower middle class. This makes khatris or common dwellings a popular form of residence in the area. The most famous khatri here is the Khatri Dinanath, which once belonged to one of the richest people to have resided in this area. But today, this beautiful Haveli stands in shambles. And if you stop to observe life in these dingy streets, the conditions around are no better. On its surface, we may be a developing country, but it's evident that the common man is yet to find his way to a comfortable, worry-free life. This is Wahib Salim Bhatt reporting for Express 24/7 from Delhi Gate, Lahore.